Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So a couple of updates here need to be done, more so house cleaning, just get rid of these lines. Sure, those levels still pertain to the chart, they're just not relevant right now. From a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. But a very big breakdown over the past several hours there. The bears have made a big push downwards, which prompts the first update that needs to be done. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and very clearly was broken below there, and the price has since been down there. So that brings about the first question, and let's just use that 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours from now. Question number one just becomes, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 7,800? Meaning, is the price still below that red line, or has the bull shown some signs of progress? And quote-unquote progress would definitely be if you're answering the question, well, actually, Clay, the price is up above 7,800 right now. Now, of course, there would be a lot more work that needs to be done, but it's definitely a step in the right direction. So if you are answering the question that the price is up above the 7,800 mark, the next immediate question you would want to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to that 50-period moving average? That being, the overarching key area of resistance. And if you go back through the history of things, then you can see that several times the price has been right up around that area and it's been rejected. So that's very important. But as of right now, I don't want to get too far ahead of myself, because the first thing that just needs to happen is, can the price even get up above that number again at 7,800? Now, if you're answering the question, well, Clay, the price is actually down below 7,800, that is where the next question would need to come into play. And that is where this level comes in effect here. And it's a very, very important level. So let's change this to green for support, because so far so good. This level has acted as support. And then this area down here at 73.75. And I'm going to be pretty precise there, 73.75, because you look back through the history and you can see a very big track record of the price essentially bouncing right off that area. And then you fast forward to right there, and once again, the price has bounced right off that area. So that is a very historic level. And again, to give credit where credit's due, good to see that the price was able to hold above that area. But that is one of those situations where if you're answering the question, well, Clay, the price is actually down below that area, well, then at that point, as you see here, that would be putting the price down at lows that have not been seen for multiple months. So very, very important as I continue to squeeze down the chart. I mean, we were talking about multiple months where if the price actually breaks down below that level, that is a situation where then you're going back to May since the price has been down around those areas. But like I said, to zoom back in, so far so good. That price level has held, but that's definitely a very important level. And a question that you're going to be wanting to ask yourself is, where's the price at relative to 73.75? So those are going to be the key levels going forward. Ask yourself those questions, and like I said, that'll keep this video relevant for as long as possible. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.